Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rohkle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Pleasure of Ignorance on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Bayasaheb Rohkle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. The Pleasure of Ignorance is written by dash dash. Options are A. Joseph Addison, B. Richard Adams, C. William Hazlitt, or D. Robert Lind. Correct option is D. Robert Lind. Question number 2. Robert Lind is called a master of humor, satire, and dash dash. Options are A. Monologue, B. Irony, C. Pleasure, or D. Ignorance. Correct option is B. Irony. Question number 3. Robert Lind's essays deal with issues of contemporary and dash dash interest. Options are A. Ways of life, B. Traditions, C. Ethos, philosophy, or attitude, or D. Style. Correct option is C. Ethos, or philosophy, or attitude. Question number 4. Robert Lind was born on 20 April dash dash Belfast, Ireland. Options are A. 1678, B. 1978, C. 1789, or D. 1879. Correct option is D. 1879. Question number 5. Robert Lind was died on 6 October dash dash at 70 in Hampstead, London, England. Options are A. 1849, B. 1949, C. 1749, or D. 1649. Correct option is B. 1949. Question number 6. Robert Lind started his career as dash dash. Options are A. A journalist, B. A dramatist, C. An actor, or D. A film producer. Correct option is A. A journalist. Question number 7. Robert Lind was a strong dash dash nationalist and a Sinn Féin activist. Options are A. American, B. English, C. Irish, or D. German. Correct option is C. Question number 7. Robert Lind was a strong dash dash nationalist and a Sinn Féin activist. Options are A. American, B. English, C. Irish, or D. German. Correct option is C. Irish. Question number 8. Robert Lind's essays abound or overflow in pleasant anecdotes or sketches and dash dash. Options are A. Stories, B. Plays, C. Novels, or D. Poems. Correct option is A. Stories. Question number 9. Robert Lind's essays contain numerous wise observations on life presented in a delightful literary and dash dash style. Options are A. Extended, B. Lengthy, C. Prolonged, or D. Epigrammatic or short. Correct option is D. Epigrammatic or short. Question number 10. What is the main drawback of a naturalist? Options are A. He is a theoretical man, B. He observes nature carefully, C. He always quarrels with others, or D. He never follows rules of nature. Correct option is A. He is a theoretical man. Question number 11. How does Robert Lind define ignorance? Options are A. Keeps us uneducated, B. Makes us aware, C. Very bad, or D. Source of pleasure. Correct option is D. Source of pleasure. Question number 12. Ignorance allows us to ask dash dash and make our life richer by the search for knowledge. Options are A. Information, B. Questions, C. Money, or D. Books. Correct option is B. Questions. Question number 13. Robert Lind gives examples from dash dash to demonstrate his views on ignorance. Options are A. His life, B. Professional, C. Daily life, or D. Nature. Correct option is D. Nature. Question number 14. Ignorance keeps our curiosity alive and dash dash us to ask questions. Options are A. Neglects, B. Stimulates, C. Avoids, or D. Ignores. Correct option is B. Stimulates. Question number 15. Ignorance helps us to embark on a voyage of dash dash, which is itself a great pleasure. Or ignorance gives us constant pleasure of dash dash. Options are A. Progress, B. Development, C. Growth, or D. Discovery. Correct option is D. Discovery. Question number 16. According to Robert Lind, dash dash cannot distinguish between songs of cuckoos or blackbirds and thrushes or a beech and an elm trees. Options are A. Modern teachers and lawyers, B. Modern urban men and women, C. People in villages, or D. People in rural areas. Correct option is B. Modern urban men and women. Question number 17. Why was Socrates famed for wisdom? Options are A. Differentiate knowledge and wisdom, B. Knowledge of different fields, C. Realized at 70 still knew nothing, or D. Shows wisdom in every act. Correct option is C. Realized at 70 still knew nothing. Question number 18. The essay Pleasure of Ignorance is published in dash dash. Options are A. New Statesman, B. New Magazine, C. New Horizon, or D. New Age. Correct option is A. New Statesman. Question number 19. Thousands of men and women live and die without knowing difference between a dash dash. Options are A. A rose and an elm, B. A banyan and an elm, C. A beech and an elm, or D. A beech and an elm. Correct option is C. A beech and an elm. Question number 20. Out of dash dash, we get constant pleasure of discovery. Options are A. Joy, B. Love, C. Beauty, or D. Ignorance. Correct option is D. Ignorance. Question number 21. Dash dash does not find pleasure in observing the life of the birds. Options are A. Scientist, B. Student, C. Naturalist, or D. Philosopher. Correct option is C. Naturalist. Question number 22. According to Lind, dash dash is a rare spectacle. Options are A. Rainbow, B. Sunshine, C. Hailstorm, or D. Laying eggs by cuckoo. Correct option is D. Laying eggs by cuckoo. Question number 23. Lind has used cuckoo to illustrate ordinary man's dash dash. Options are A. Knowledge, B. Ignorance, C. Ability, or D. Morality. Correct option is B. Ignorance. Question number 24. According to Lind, there is a special pleasure in learning the names of flower every dash dash. Options are A. Summer, B. Winter, C. Autumn, or D. Spring. Correct option is D. Spring. Question number 25. According to Lind, dash dash keeps our curiosity alive. Options are A. Information, B. Ignorance, C. Knowledge, or D. Education. Correct option is B. Ignorance. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.